Hi YouTube, so today's video is going to be a video on how to lay your closure flat, okay? How to make your regular simple lace closure look like a frontal. And today the only thing you're going to need is some holding spray, a flat iron, some water, and a scarf, plus your wig, of course. So first thing you need to do is, I already got my wig cap on. Pull baby girl down. Don't let it drop. And my wig today is a 5x5, it has a 5x5 lace closure on there. Okay, try my hand. What you're gonna do is you're gonna let that sit a little bit. Grab your wig. She looks a mess. Put it on. Your cap might slide some, but that's okay. It's okay if it slides, because all you're gonna do is pull it back up. I don't wait for mine to dry because this is my wig that I put on and take off every night, so I don't need it to be like crazy secure. Like, I mean, the underneath to be crazy secure. So what I'm gonna do is knot this on my head, get my comb the hairs back. It looked like I got on a headband. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some more. Ooh, gotta catch it. Spray some more. It's a little bit messy. I know everybody likes to use that Got To Be. I use that too, but right now I ain't got none. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your lace, you're gonna pull it, you're gonna sit it right on there. Is that in the middle? I think so. You're gonna pull the sides, and then obviously more than likely the sides ain't gonna be stuck. So you're gonna take it, you're gonna put some holding spray, and you're gonna pull it down. You don't gotta hold it that long, because it actually sticks pretty fast. It sticks pretty fast. Okay, so while that side is getting stuck, I'm gonna go to this side, make sure, you see it's already stuck. Pull it down some more. Spray a little bit more holding spray on there, because I like mine to be secured. Spray that holding spray. Gonna clean it up some. And what I do is, actually, I don't tie mine down right away, because when you tie it down right away, it gets stuck. Well, for me it does. I don't know about everybody else. But y'all see this? It is on here, and this side is a side that likes to play with my emotions. I mean, you just hold it down. Go ahead, stick to my forehead. And then obviously you see, you can see like this little the little, what is it called? The holding spray. Brain fart. You can see the holding spray, but don't trip, because you can wipe that off. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna press it down. Now that it's dry, you're gonna brush your wig out. And what I do is I push this, like that. Brush this side up. And I push it back. So all this will lay flat. And then what I'm gonna do is take my scarf and then tie it on for like 5 minutes, literally. And while I'm doing that, what I do is I will take my hands, I wet them. I wet this part. Take my comb it back. Comb it back. Then I put my scarf on. Oh, my ear. And I literally only tie this down for like 5 minutes. I tie it down while I finish the rest of my makeup. It sounds like I'm crunching apples. So now it's been about, not even 5 minutes, but it don't need to stay down 5 minutes because I'm only making a video. Ain't like I'm going somewhere. But you see, it ain't going nowhere. And you can pull it back if you want to. You could do all of that. I did not pluck the front because I didn't need to. I don't really wear this hair pulled back. But if I wanted to, I could. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to straighten this so she could be bone straight. And what I'm doing, how I'm straightening this, I'm just using the chase method. Quick, simple, and easy. But you see already, look how flat this is. Like, real deal. Look how flat that is. And that's without using any type of spray or setting mousse or anything of that sort. Toss that back there. Cher, is that you? And just straighten it up real quick. And literally, this ain't even take me 15 minutes. It didn't even take 10 minutes, to be honest, because I didn't even keep my scarf on long. And it's not messy or none of that. And just to take your wig off, all you gotta do is real simple, quick, and easy. To take it off, all you do is add a little bit of water, or what I do is add a little oil sheen because I don't want to rip out my edges. Add a little bit of water or oil sheen and it'll come right up. But if you want your closure to lay this flat, I did not use no concealer, no got-to-be glue, no hair glue, no elastic band, no none of that. All I did was get this, pump it up, regular deal holding spray. You can use any holding spray if you want to. Spray it on there and she's laid down flat as possible. Look at that. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bells to keep seeing this face. Okay? Bye. Thanks for watching.